NI has just released the new version of the graphical IDE LabVIEW 2023 Q1. In this release, NI has introduced several new features and improvements to enhance the LabVIEW experience. Let's take a look at what's new. The first new feature is the support for calling Python from virtual environments. You can use the new Open Virtual Environment session to run Python code in Anaconda and VM virtual environments. After creating our test virtual environment in Anaconda and adding the required packages, we can now run our Python file. When we look at the LabVIEW code of our test VI, we can choose a virtual environment with either Anaconda or VMs and select the version of Python. And after that, we can run the calculations Python file using this virtual environment. It's probably good to mention that the same bitness for LabVIEW and Python is required for this to work. So, if your LabVIEW is 32-bit, you also need a 32-bit version of Python. And staying on the Python topic, as of this version, LabVIEW now also supports Python 3.10. Next up, we have a new tool for finding and installing missing NI drivers and toolkits. The Manage NI Package Dependencies dialog examines your LabVIEW project and identifies which NI packages are used. If a package is not installed, you can click the Install button to launch NI Package Manager and install the required packages. Additionally, the installation process for drivers and toolkits has been streamlined, making it easier to get started with LabVIEW. Another improvement in this release is that the height of certain terminals will no longer change with the application font size. The fixed size for these terminals will now always be 16 pixels. This change affects terminals for functions such as unbundle and bundle by name, locals and globals, property and invoke nodes, and a few others. Some users have experienced diagrams that have misaligned wires after using LabVIEW 2023 Q1, and NI recommends to use the VI Analyzer wire bands test to find them. After finding the bands, you still need to fix them manually. If you're a Linux user, you'll be pleased to know that LabVIEW applications now support custom names and icons. You can customize the application name and icon using the Properties dialog for the application build specification. If you do not provide a custom icon, build applications will now use the system default application icon instead of the LabVIEW icon. Finally, LabVIEW 2023 Q1 adds support for macOS 13, so Mac users can take advantage of the latest features and improvements. That concludes our overview of the LabVIEW 2023 Q1 release. We hope these new features and improvements will help you be more productive and efficient in your LabVIEW projects. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next Did You Know?